That was your day? He changed the channel that I'm watching. Be, pinapanood ko yung Happy Old Age of Legendary Grandparents in Mountain. Ang ganda niya, be. Sila Lola at Lolo. And then he changed it and then I put it back. And then he said, Ate, Tete, sabi niya. So he's ready to pick up Ate in school. And then there's no snow, right? Last days, there's so much snow. Today, we can pick them up. Hi, beautiful friends. We love you. Take care every day. David just finished taking a nap and drinking milk and eating food. Now he's okay. He's just relaxing and we will pick up his sisters a little bit later. We love you. Take care. Every day, stay warm. Ganda pa naman ito, oh. Yan sila Lola. Nagdala yung anak niya. Kung ako sa anak niya, nagstay na lang siya dyan yung mama at papa niya. Yung buhay daw natin ng mga tao, the past life before, we are farmers, no? We are really farmers. We have animals, tapos nag-aano tayo ng milk, and then we have fresh eggs. Ganun lang ang buhay. Look at him. Tignan mo. Can I borrow? We love you, beautiful friends. Take care every day. Take care. A little bit later, we will pick up his sisters from school. We love you. I love you, David. I love you. I love you. She's so sweet. Beautiful friends. She brought food for her parents. Ang ganda ng lugar nila. Bakit kaya, siguro sa city siya nag-work, no? Gusto ko yung part na bumaba siya sa train, tapos nag-grocery siya, be. Nakarelate naman ako. Buti na lang sa atin may pa-Gcash. Yung pag magpapa-Jollibee ka or order ka pagkain sa parents mo, o tsaka grocery, no? Hi, David. We love you. Have a great day, beautiful friends. Ayun na yung pagkain. Piniprepare niya na. Legendary life of elderly couple in the mountains. Parang ganon. Diyan, magbibisita yung dalawa nilang anak. Dalawa lang ba anak nila? Maganda pala, 4, no? At 190. Hey, we love you!